everybody, my name is Kristen Goss. I'm actually the manager of the Buckle here in Emporia. I just wanted to get on here and share with you guys how easy it is to shop with us. We really want to encourage everybody to shop local and shop Emporia this holiday season. So we also wanted to encourage you to come to our friends and family event that's happening on December 10th. It's an all-day event, so you can come whenever you would like. We also have a curbside service too, and a Get It Today option that you can use through our Buckle app, or you can use online as well. We wanted to encourage you too, we have this new app that we use here in the store that you can actually shop from us directly, whether it's online or even through our store. It looks just like this. It's called My Store. I'll post the link below in the video too, but you can shop us directly and you can also see what's online as well. What's great too is that it benefits us, but it also benefits you. That way you guys can stay safe at home, but also keep supporting the local business that's here in Emporia. Thank you so much. Hope to see you on Thursday. We'll also be doing some giveaways on Thursday. We have a Sweet Granada gift basket, some Bath & Body Works products, and so much more that we're going to be offering. We're also giving away 3 $25 Buckle gift cards. So please come in. We hope to see you then. Again, it's on Thursday, December 10th. Hopefully we'll see you there.